Hey guys, welcome to Quick 4K. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to make a Game Pass in Please Donate in Roblox Mobile in 2026. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So first things first, simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using and simply head into this website right over here. So create.roblox.com, just like that, and you're going to be taken to this page right over here. If you haven't already, make sure that that you are signed in with your account, and once you do that, just click on your menu icon on the top left of your screen and click on creations. Once you do that, you're going to be on this page right over here, and you want to simply go ahead and click on the default experience, which is just going to be your usernames and then place, just like that. Simply go ahead and click on it, and you're going to be taken to this page right over here, where all you want to do is again click on the menu on the left hand side and scroll all the way down until you find monetization, and inside of monetization simply tap on passes. Then you're going to be taken to this page where you want to simply click on create pass. You can simply go ahead and enter a photo, name it right over here. You can also go ahead and write a description and then click on create pass, and it will also let you go ahead and enter a Roblox price and save changes. It is as simple as that. And then you can simply open the Please Donate application and then go to the empty stand and hold the claim button. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.